Hi, this is Carolyn with Poage Chevrolet, and this is our 2020 2500. This has a 6.6 in it. It is a diesel, so this is a pretty powerful truck. Also made in Flint, Michigan. I like that. It is an SLE. Trailer brake controller, heated seats. Underneath this cabinet here is a carry and conceal cabinet. Here is your back. It does have a heated steering wheel, also has your blind side alerts on it. Anyway, this is a really nice truck too. It's sitting next to the 30